Hi guys and gals. Have you been struggling to figure out if SpinRewriter is the best spinning tool there in the market? I am too. So stay tuned with me to know that. And this is not going to be a video like other creators where they just read the sales page and don't show you live in action. Does those features and functions of the software really work? So now pay close attention to this video. So basically today I will show you how you can save $120 with SpinRewriter and how can you claim up to 60% discount on your purchase. What features I found in SpinRewriter that no other tool provides on the whole planet, and all big announcements related to SpinRewriter 11 version and the principle of working of SpinRewriter. We'll see what makes it unique from other spinners. And we'll also see SpinRewriter demo, its all function from A to Z and its full spinning potential inside this SpinRewriter demo, and last but not least SpinRewriter pricing. And we'll also see do they have any money back guarantee, and SpinRewriter upsells, and downsells. And my amazing bonuses which I never gave to anyone on this channel and they worth $5,476. You can see all of them on my website, and the bonus comprises premium softwares, premium ebooks and guides and done-for-you marketing templates and traffic secrets guides, and thousands of dollars affiliate marketing course by my mentor with our winning affiliate product. And most of the bonuses you can get just for creating your free account with SpinRewriter 11. Stay tuned to learn more. How you can get them, I have given all the important parts of this video in the description's timestamp. You can scroll through the parts which you want to see. I don't want to waste your valuable time more because I really hate when people waste my time, so just hop straight into SpinRewriter review. Or SpinRewriter 11 review and see what you can expect from SpinRewriter 11. Okay, so now pay close attention to my screen. I have logged into my SpinRewriter account. As you can see here, you have got a couple of options here. You can rewrite a single article. You can rewrite multiple articles. Then you have this gold membership and the WordPress plugin integration. I will go deep into both of them later, and both are really amazing feature which I found in only SpinRewriter. Okay, so next you can see your complete archive of articles that you've written in the past. You can join their affiliate program and promote SpinRewriter. Here's a tutorial section and it has a collection of more than 10 brand new tutorial videos that explain every feature of SpinRewriter and turn you into a content generating ninja. And you can contact support here to SpinRewriter team with your queries and believe me they are very fast. And you must know SpinRewriter is not a fly-by-night product, they are in the industry since 2011. And they are constantly upgrading brand new functions and features into SpinRewriter every year. Its artificial intelligence is just amazing and it is getting better and better every year to help out their customer to achieve far more accurate results in their spinning. I have SpinRewriter Premium account, and I have spun hundreds of articles for my ebook, for my other YouTube channels, and for my websites. Let's put a quick example to understand its functionality and principle of working. So let's put John can relax and read a book because his kids can book the vacation for him. Now here's what makes SpinRewriters stand out. Most other content tools don't understand English. They don't get that. The same word can have more than one meaning. So they see a word like book and they change it to novel, which is fine here. But then they do the same thing again. And you end up with, because his kids can novel the vacation for him, which doesn't make much sense. Now let's run this sentence through SpinRewriter. When we click here, we can see that SpinRewriter knows that this book means novel and that this book means make a reservation. It can also tell that John is singular. So this can should become, is able to while kids is plural. So this can should become, are able to, but this is not all SpinRewriter can do. It can also detect that the word book belongs to the verb read, and then both actions relax and read. The book can be swapped around to make your sentence even more unique. And not just that, it can even rearrange the entire sentence because it understands the cause and effect. So it moves the word because from the middle of the sentence to the very beginning, while preserving the exact same meaning just like this. Now, if you want to spin this sentence manually, let's look at the word, relax. SpinRewriter can instantly suggest the top available synonyms. Or you can select some more when you're happy with your list of synonyms. You can quickly apply those synonyms to all words, relax in this entire text, which will save you a lot of time. And of course, if you want SpinRewriter to do all of the hard work for you, just use the one-click rewrite option and SpinRewriter will automatically determine the best synonyms for all of the words and phrases completely hands-off. So let's take a look at just some of the results SpinRewriter gives us. Since John's children are able to schedule the holiday for him, he can easily flip through a novel and rest. Here's another one because his kids can easily set up the trip for him. John is able to skim a newspaper and take it easy. All of this means that when you spin an article with SpinRewriter, it makes sense. You don't have to spend ages going through it and writing it. With SpinRewriter, it's completely unique. And it still sounds just like a human wrote it. The difference between SpinRewriter and most other spinners is that I found, it don't just use a simple table of words. SpinRewriter uses emulated natural language for its ENL, semantic, spinning technology. It analyzes your entire article to truly understand what you're trying to say. Their ENL technology is using something called convolutional neural networks, which is the same principle Google is using to rank the quality of content on the web. This means Google is basically trained to love the unique content you'll be generating. Their ENL semantic spinning technology also guarantees that when SpinRewriter makes suggestions, it's far more accurate, saving you far more time, letting you put out more articles, build more blogs and get more links for your money sites. With other spinners, you can do a few articles every day. With SpinRewriter, you can become a publishing machine, and all this is important because if you want to get to really profitable rankings, you're going to need a lot of blogs and a lot of links, which means you're going to need almost unlimited content with SpinRewriter. You can generate as much unique content as you need. Wait, this demo was just to understand the working principle of SpinRewriter. Some very crucial settings of SpinRewriter are on your way, which you must know before buying SpinRewriter. Let me generate some big articles and take a look at the full potential of SpinRewriter with all other features of SpinRewriter like side-by-side comparison of original and spun text, stock photos, and videos integration, and many other features of SpinRewriter. So let's go to Google search for eZine articles. Okay, so let's go to eZine articles and take a quick example from the health and fitness category. Now we have some subcategory. Let's go with the acne category for this video. And copy this portion and paste it into SpinRewriter. Here in the bottom left corner we have some spin settings. And here you can adjust any of these, and so it gives you all kinds of options depending on how much you want to spin your content. Now undoubtedly the more you spin your articles the less readable it will be, so many times I don't even use any of these options. I go manually with its provided synonyms and suggestions to control the readability of my article, but you can if you click on this more option button. It gives you details and explains to you exactly what each feature does if you want to make use of them. Now here if we go to words and phrases, you can protect some special words in your articles which you don't want to spin. You can protect all the capitalized words by just clicking at this button. And if we go to advanced settings, here you can enable auto one-click rewrite option. Basically via this you can spin your article very fast and easy. Then we have this enable hyperspeed option. It allows SpinRewriter to work faster. Then you have one level and multi-level nested spinning. I won't suggest you to enable this option because it will make your article very less readable. Before I spin this article, let me show you these two options. First is fetch a new article, and this is a link with a service called Big Content Search which has lots of PLR articles and ebooks related to any niche. You can just put your keyword and it will fetch tons of articles for you if you have subscription. Then at the bottom, we have a fix grammar option. Through this you can fix any grammatical error in the article, and this is integrated with Perfect Tense to fix them via subscription. So that's it. Now let's go ahead and rewriting our article. Just click on Rewrite Article. Now it's preparing the best possible synonyms for your article. Actually, it is reading it and trying to understand the words, so it's going to go through and replace all these words with the best synonyms possible. You can see here in the bottom that it says uniqueness, billions of possible versions you can potentially get. I just want to show you the full spun article we have got here and how fast it has done this, and here you can see this. I can click on any of these words and I can continue to edit this article further. So if I click on one of these, you can see custom words, the top words. You can select all the words and we can apply your desired synonym at one click here for the whole article. And here you can also filter them by meaning, so where it actually tries to understand each and every meaning from your article, so you're getting the best words added to your article. Okay, so go ahead and you can see here at the bottom you can have a couple of options like one-click rewrite option, save for later, and finalize article. Okay, so let's finalize this article here. So this is our full spun article right here. Let's go and click on generate a new article, and here's an article that it has created for us. Here you can preview the article and you can also connect your copyscape with it and post to your WordPress site directly. Now pay close attention to this honorable mention, which is about a new feature of SpinRewriter that will be live with version 11 of SpinRewriter. Right now we all user have SpinRewriter version 10. The SpinRewriter version 11 will be live on the 11th of November, and version 11 will have a very awesome feature, that is if we go to fetch videos and type our keyword, it will fetch related videos related to our article. In the bottom here you can select the frequency of videos per article. I'll leave it to 1 video per article, and now if I go down in this article you can see it has adds this code in here for the videos. Well, in the new version 11 which you guys are going to have, you're not going to see this code, you will see the actual video. It will have a visual editor, so you can see this video in the article at the same time, and the same thing works with images too with SpinRewriter version 11. So now I want to show you SpinRewriter pricing, upsells, downsell, SpinRewriter 11's incredibly amazing features, and my super amazing bonuses, so now pay close attention to this. SpinRewriter provides you 3 pricing plans: monthly, yearly, and one-time fee with lifetime access to the software. That means no monthly or yearly fee with all 3 plans. You get almost the same features as you can spin unlimited articles, in spinning algorithm, which I have explained to you in the beginning, bulk spinning at one time, and mass exporting feature. But with the yearly plan, you will also get some extra things like bonuses from the SpinRewriter, and a 5-day free trial, and the price of the monthly plan is $37 per month, and the lifetime plan will cost you $497. But in this special SpinRewriter 11 5-day launches period only, the price of the yearly plan drops to $77 a year from $197. It means you'll get almost 60% discount. Great deal, isn't it? They have made this $77 a year offer no-brainer for us to try it out with 5 days free trial. I will highly recommend you to give it a try with 5 days free. And, if you feel this is not as good as you thought, you can cancel the free trial at any time, so they have eliminates all the risk of joining them and give them a try. Wait, don't click off, we haven't yet seen the upsells and downsell. Other people will not show all the hidden upsells and downsell you are gonna have with SpinRewriter. But to be honest with you guys, let me show you all the upsells and downsells. But don't worry, they all are optional upsells and downsell. If you find them great, you can give them a try. Or you can just use SpinRewriter to spin your articles. So as I already show you the front-end price of SpinRewriter, now let's see upsells. The first 2 upsell you will get from SpinRewriter is its Gold membership and its WordPress plugin. With Gold membership you will be treated as VIP person and you will get SEO support, virtual assistant support, and many other VIP treatments. You can see them on my screen. And with SpinRewriter WordPress plugin you'll get access to the official SpinRewriter WordPress plugin. SpinRewriter WordPress license is like steroids for your WordPress websites. As you can see all these incredible features on my screen. So the SpinRewriter Gold membership and WordPress plugin, both will cost you $37. Yeah, it is a one-time fee. Next, few upsells are related to SEO stuff. You'll get the first upsell that is hands-off SEO, that means they will take care of your SEO, and this upsell that will cost you $47 per month. After this upsell you'll get one-click upsell of $20 and above, and one-click downsell of only $17. All these SEO related upsells and downsell are monthly fee. So that's it for upsells and downsell of SpinRewriter. If you don't get anything, just drop me a comment. So I will highly suggest you give it a try. If you need any kind of spinner in your work, it could be your blog or website, or for your YouTube channel, etc. My SpinRewriter bonus applied link is given in the description of this video. They're worth almost $5,646. You can see all of them on my website, and the bonus comprises of premium softwares, premium ebooks, and guides and done-for-you templates and traffic secrets guides. And thousands of dollars affiliate marketing course for free with my winning affiliate program that is GrooveFunnels. I'll leave the link of its free lifetime access. Yes, it is a completely free email marketing and funnel building platform. You can get it for free due to this pandemic. You can check it out too. So, let's get back to our bonuses. Actually, I am giving away some bonus just for creating your free account, and some are my premium bonuses which I will give to only paid members if you choose the 5-day free trial. Email me your receipt at the given email address on my website. I'll send you your all free bonuses, and after your free trial if you upgrade to any of their 3 plans. Then send me your receipt screenshot at the same email address, so I can send you all your $5,646 bonuses. My email is given on my website. If you appreciate my work, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and leave a beautiful comment, and subscribe to this channel to explore internet marketing knowledge. And share it with your marketer friends.